Did you know that you can make your iPhone talk without Siri? Let me show you how to make iPhone talk when you insert it in charger or when the battery is low. First of all, go to home screen, say shortcut, click shortcut, go to automation, plus sign there on top, say charger, to talk when it's charging, say charger, click there, next, write the or click speak text, write anything that your phone want to say. And I'll write thanks Bonga, I'm charging. Okay, done. Then plug your phone.
Thanks Bonga, I'm charging.
Inkosi Yafashini TV.
Did you know that you can make your iPhone talk without Siri? Let me show you how to make iPhone talk when you insert it in charger or when the battery is low. First of all, go to home screen, say shortcut,